Now that there's a golden bird. Roast your own bird. It's easy. Small onion. Remove the skin. Quartered. Lemon. Quartered. 1 small bunch thyme. Grab your 4-pound bird. Add the thyme first so it doesn't burn. Stuff it. You could add whatever you want. Tie the legs with butcher's twine so it cooks evenly. Avocado oil. A little bit so it gets nice and golden. Kosher salt generously. Pepper. Tuck the wings so it cooks evenly. Don't add anything into the pan. It creates steam. We want the skin nice and crispy. 400 degrees for 1 hour, 15 minutes. Woo! Let it rest 15 minutes. This is the jus. Keep it warm. It's delicious. Boning knife. Keep the carcass. It makes great chicken stock. Don't forget the jus because you're fancy.